Hi there, it's Allright, and in this video tutorial I would like to explain you more how my rig works and how to optimize it. For example, you want to remove fingers controllers and toes controllers for your pipeline, and you only need these controllers, and maybe, for example, you want to remove FK from here and to make it more simple. I'm gonna close this project, and I'm gonna update my my project with the default beta, and I will open it. Okay, we have the default beta rig here, and I can open, let's go and see what do we have. So first of all, when I make the rig, I want to remove these controllers. Let's go on here, how it works. So I will open the event graph, and I need the create rig macro, and I will open it, and I will look what I have. So at first I create the main controller, then I create the upper body controllers, I create arms, and here I create the fingers controllers. So probably I need to remove this macro from here, connect this guy back, and to compile the rig, and let's see what we got. So actually, if I will make the rig, you see something happened with the rig, and I have, if I will open the output log, I have bunch of warnings here, and so probably I need to fix some stuff. So first of all, what do I need to fix is when I make the rig. Let's open the rig, and when I go to the update macro, which actually updates the pose of the character, I will open it, and I will close all other tabs so it wouldn't bother me. So I have this get skeleton pose macro, which gets the poses of my controllers from this variable. And from this array, array of actors. So here I have my controllers, and here I have my controllers groups. And before I deleted the fingers macro, there was like 20 controllers of fingers, and the last one was were these guys for foot controllers. And so I need to update this information here. Let's go to get skeleton pose, and we actually have also this get fingers positions here, and I can remove these macros. Actually, I have fingers, yes, only fingers. I will remove this macro, and I will connect this execution pin. So here everything is perfect, because at first I created the upper body, then I created arms, and then there was FK controllers. So after I created the arms, there was fingers, a lot of fingers controllers here, and after these fingers controllers, they were legs controllers. So I need to go to the legs macro, and I need to update this information on which this array ID I used to get the controller information. So at first I have this IK offset parameter, and I need to find the offset group nodes. So it's in groups. In controls groups, it's here, and it's called foot right IK offset. So it's 25 ID. So I will put here 25. Now I need pole vector controller, and it has the name of the bone, foot air, R, yes, and it has IK, so it's 21. I don't need toy. Let's actually check what for we need. So in this macro I get the index of toy, I get the actor rotation, and I assign it. So I don't need my toy controllers, so I will also delete it. And here IK helper, I need to also assign the IK helper here. So let's go and find. Actually, I have the ball FK controllers. I want to remove them also. So let's go to this stance pose, and let's go to the rig. I will go to create rig, and I forgot to remove, like I removed fingers controllers, and I also wanted to remove my toys controllers. So let's go here, and I have these create toys controllers, and I will also remove this, and let's check it. Let's compile the macro, and let's clear the output, and let's create the rig. Okay, so now I don't have the fingers controllers, and I don't have toys controllers. I will go to stance. And now let's go back to my update rig macro. It's here, and I go back to my update system. I need to get the legs controllers, and I already set up this guy, and let's make sure that we did it correct, because I also needed to remove toys controllers. So let's go here, controllers, and we have foot IK offset. Let's make sure that it's on the same place, 25. IK offset, yes, it's actually, there should not be problems, because toy controller was created before, like after the legs controllers. So I need IK helper. So IK helper is it must have the tight bone name and the helper. IK left helper. So it's 24. And let's. So basically, this is the same reference of the same macro, two references, and I need just to stop here the names, IDs for my right foot. Right IK offset. I need to look it in my controllers groups. Foot right IK offset 25. And leg pull vector, it must be here, so it's called calf right pull vector. It's 22. I don't need toy, and I need IK helper for the right foot. So it's right, tight right helper, it's 28. Okay, let's compile it. And okay, now we don't have these messages about because now we are not trying to get not existing actors like from this arrays, from controls arrays and controls groups arrays. But probably I had miss some ID here. So let's check it out. Where's my macro? And probably I put some wrong ID. I think for my IK offset. Let's go to controllers, and okay, of course it's 19. My foot left. Oh, I'm sorry. It must be with offset name. My left foot left IK offset. Yes, it's 21. Why did I put right here? So it's 21. Okay, let's go to the rig, compile it, and now I probably also did something wrong with pole vector. Yes, it doesn't react for this pole vector. It looks in something else. Let's go and open Allright macro lib and let's check our pole vector name. So it's like pole vector, it's 21, and I will open the controllers, and actually it's 20, calf left pole vector, it's 20. So I'm sorry, I have missed a little bit. Let's compile it. And you see now everything is perfect except I can check my IK controllers. Let's switch IK mode. I can check this guy. Except like I have strange fingers and toes positions. And let's go. Actually, it's because in this macro, here, in this macro, I get controllers poses, and here in this macro, I assign these poses to the posable mesh component. And let's go here. And you see we have these fingers loops and toes loops, and we need probably to remove it. So toes would not update from like 0 positions. Let's put it, connect the execution pin, and I will compile it. And now, okay, now I don't have my fingers controllers, and I don't have any bugs and any messages, so everything works fine. Except if I will choose not the posable mesh component, if I will choose anim blueprint mode, then like it will also update from updates the anim instance from the from 0 locations. So let's go and let's open our rig anim blueprint. And we need to also to remove the update system here from let's go to anim graph. Where's my anim graph? Oh, I'm sorry, it's macro library. So here I have legs and toes update. So I don't get this position of these bones. Oh no, I'm sorry, of these extra joints. So probably I don't need to set them. And also I have all these guys that set up my fingers, so I need to remove these also from here. Okay, let's go here and let's connect these guys. Let's make sure that our stream is connected everywhere. And let's compile it. Let's go here, and now we see that now toes and fingers, they also not updating like from controllers or from anything. Okay, now let's see how what we need to do to bake this updated rig. Like we probably also need to update the baking system because we don't take this information from these controllers and don't put this information. So let's go and open the event graph, and let's see what do we have here. So I have a bake to anim sequence macro which is baking the joints positions, like it takes current joint position and just put the key on the joint and to the anim sequence. So it doesn't work with controllers, it don't need controllers, so I don't need to update this. And I need to update this guy, bake to rig, because I take the joints information from here, and controllers information. So let's open this guy, and here we have update and krig. So actually, like, I have some pre-bake process, and I need to put the first key, and then for every frame I add case to all controllers. And let's go open this guy. I update the animation position here of the character, and here krig I actually update during the baking process. I update here the position of controllers depending on the joints positions, and assign keys. So I don't need fingers here. I need to connect this guy. Let's go open the legs, and probably we also need to update these controllers IDs for the legs. So let's go and see what do we have here. Let's go open the controllers. So food IK here is the actual food IK controller. So and its name is like joint name and IK. This food guy is actually it's just the ID from the bones array, so I don't need to change it. Food IK. Here is my food LIK. It's 19. Let's put I'm sorry, here. Let's put 19 here, and my IK offset. I know that it's in control groups, and it's left IK offset 21. Leg pull vector, it's 20. I don't care about 2s. Actually, I do care. I need to open this macro, and I need to remove this guy which puts the keys on my toe. And let's connect the execution pin. Let's open the legs, and here I need to update my right leg. So I have 21 for food IK. I have food IK offset is here. I have 25 for this guy. I have 22 for my pull vector controller, and I don't care about anything else. So let's go here and let's compile, and let's check the new level sequence, 25 frames. Let's open line sequence. I don't need this guy here, and let's take a deep breath, and okay, everything has worked. If you did something wrong, the editor probably will exit with the error, it will crash. So you gotta be ready for this. You need to save your project before updating the rig and baking it. So let's see what we get. So everything works fine without fingers, and if you have like the motion capture data that you need to transfer to a character, you can actually and just work only with these controllers, or maybe you need toys and you don't need other controllers. Okay, actually that's all. Thank you very much. I hope this video was helpful, and it will make you more clear understanding of how my system works. Okay, thank you very much, and bye bye.